Hey everyone! Are you searching for a quick and easy way to turn your thoughts into cinematic videos without needing editing skills or expensive gear? Wondering if AI could really create full, stunning videos from just text or a single image? Well, you're in luck. Today we're exploring Hailuo AI, one of the most powerful and user-friendly AI video generators on the market right now. Whether you're a YouTuber, digital marketer, educator, or just someone who loves trying cutting-edge tools, this platform might just blow your mind. And yes, I've included the link in the description below, and free trial new users receive 1,000 points and 100 daily login points, so you can check it out while we walk through everything step by step. Let's get started. Getting started with Hailuo AI. Once you land on the Hailuo AI homepage, the first thing you'll need to do is create a free account. Super quick and easy. No complicated onboarding. Once you're in, you'll see a sleek modern dashboard designed for simplicity and speed. At the top, there's a search bar where you can type any idea and generate a video instantly. Below the search bar, you'll find a rich template section filled with pre-designed options. These are great if you need a little inspiration or want to speed up your creation process. Over on the left-hand side, the navigation panel gives you direct access to Explore, Subscribe, Create Video, Create Image, Assets, Gallery. Everything is organized to help you find tools fast and stay focused on creation. Image to video. Breathe life into still photos now. Let's create something amazing using the image to video feature. This tool is ideal if you have a favorite image or character concept and want to animate it into a short film. Here's how it works. 1. Upload or drag and drop your image. 2. Type in a text prompt describing the story or theme. 3. Choose a model. Each one adds its own unique cinematic flavor and artistic style. 4. Click Generate, and in seconds, your video is ready. The AI takes your static image and transforms it into a dynamic, motion-rich video, with animations, transitions, and mood that match your description. If you're not happy with the output, no worries. Just hit Recreate and Hailuo AI will give you an entirely new version. Pro tip, you can download your video in high quality without any watermark. Perfect for sharing or editing further. Let's try this again with a new image, enter a different prompt, hit generate, and boom. Another unique cinematic result, all within seconds. The quality is so impressive, it honestly feels like a mini movie trailer made by a professional editor. Text to video, turn ideas into stories next. We have one of my favorite tools, the text to video generator. This is where the magic of Hailuo AI really shines. Here's how to use it. 1. Paste your script, concept, or story into the input box. 2. Pick a cinematic model based on your preferred tone. Dark, light, action, romantic, fantasy, etc. 3. Click Generate and watch your words turn into visuals. The AI analyzes your text, understands the theme and emotion, and creates visuals that align with your narrative. The result? A video that feels intentional and expressive, not just a random slideshow. Want even more control? You can customize camera movements like pans, zooms, and cuts, shot angles such as wide, close-up, or aerial scene pacing to create suspense or fast action. Subject reference. Maintain consistency across videos. Let's say you want to use the same character in multiple videos. That's where the subject reference tool comes in. Here's what you do. 1. Upload a reference image of your character, brand mascot, or person. 2. Enter a prompt for the scene. 3. Choose a model and generate the video. The AI seamlessly integrates your reference image into the final result, allowing for brand consistency, storytelling continuity, or just cool customization. And again, no watermark on downloads. This is especially useful for animation series, explainer videos, or brand storytelling where you need visual consistency across multiple projects. Audio generator, realistic voiceovers in seconds. Now let's talk sound. Hailuo AI's audio generator is just as impressive as its video tools. Steps. 1. Go to the Audio tab. 2. Enter your voice script. 3. Choose a voice, or even clone your own voice with a few samples. 4. Adjust the tone. Change speed, pitch, and volume to match any mood. 5. Hit Generate, and get a polished voiceover instantly.
In the quiet of dusk, every whispered secret of the city finds its echo.
You can use these voiceovers in your Hailuo-generated videos or download them for use in other projects. It's perfect for product demos, narration, characters, or ad content. Is Hailuo AI worth it? Absolutely yes. Hailuo AI is a game-changing tool for anyone who wants to create stunning, customized videos without the hassle of editing software or hiring professionals. Here's a quick recap. Turn images into cinematic clips in seconds. Generate videos from just text. Use character references for consistency. Add realistic audio with flexible voice tools. Export videos without watermarks. Save time, money, and creative energy. Whether you're building content for YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, or educational and marketing platforms, Hailuo AI gives you the freedom to create high-quality visual content fast, with full control and creativity. The link is in the video description. Don't forget to check it out and give it a try. Like, share, and subscribe. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow creators, and subscribe to the channel for more tools, tutorials, and reviews. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.